You know those moments when you're trying to sleep and your brain suddenly reminds you of something awkward you said at work? Or is it just me? Today we're diving into something way more productive than awkward memories. It's the power of reflection and how it can significantly impact your career growth. I'm Matthew Geddes, a career coach and a caffeine and reflection enthusiast. Let's explore how you can use reflection to help you grow in your career, whether you're at university or already in the workforce. So, why should you care about reflection? Well, it's like having a personal trainer for your career. In fact, research shows that reflection can lead to a 40% improvement in problem-solving skills and increases your self-awareness, making you a more effective decision maker. Plus, it helps you recognize patterns in your experiences. Like that time I spilled coffee all over my shirt before a big presentation, and I'm still recovering from that one. Think of reflection as your career's secret weapon. It helps you process experiences, learn from them, and avoid mistakes without the sweaty gym sessions. Plus, it's a lot cheaper than therapy. It's my pause button on life's chaos. And as John Dewey said, we do not learn from experience, we learn from reflecting on experience. Reflection can transform your setbacks into setups for success. And the good news is that reflecting is simpler than you think. For me, reflection often looks like journaling, walking, or praying. Start with small, consistent steps like dipping your toes into the shallow end instead of cannonballing into the deep. Tip 1. Write a few sentences daily about your career or academic experiences. Focus on a task, a lesson learned, or an interaction. Keeping a reflection journal can help reinforce what you've learned and track your progress. Tip 2. Not a writer? No problem. Draw, record voice notes, or even interpretive dance your reflections. The medium doesn't matter. It's getting your thoughts out that does. And here's a quick quiz. Which of these reflection methods appeals to you the most? Type your answer in the comments. Tip 3. Make time to review your past reflections periodically. Revisiting them helps reinforce lessons learned and allows you to spot patterns and trends that you might not have noticed at the time. Personal and career reflections are like peanut butter and jelly. Different, but they work great together. In my personal life, I've reflected on why I binge watched that entire series instead of going for a walk. And career-wise, reflection has helped me turn a flop workshop into a growth opportunity. Remember, personal insights can influence your career and vice versa. According to studies, people who regularly reflect are 25% more likely to achieve their goals. It's all connected. Let's do a helpful activity together. It's called the Best Future Self. Research shows it increases optimism, which is linked to greater well-being, and strengthens your motivation to achieve goals. Close your eyes, unless you're driving, and imagine it's 1 year from now. Everything has gone amazingly well in your studies or career. How does it feel? What are you doing? What have you accomplished? Now, open your eyes and jot down one specific goal you hope to reach by next year. Then think about one small step that you can take today to move towards that future self. And if you need more time, feel free to pause the video or come back later. A more detailed reflection prompt is in the description to guide you when you're ready. And share one of your future goals in the comments. Also, consider creating a digital or physical time capsule with your future self vision to open in 1 year. It's like sending yourself a message from the past. Now that you've visualized your future and taken that first small step, think about one thing that you've learned about your career or studies this week. And remember, reflection is an ongoing journey and you don't have to have it all figured out right away. Start small and let it build over time. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips on reflection, career growth, and probably too many coffee jokes.